This is Mr. Palomares. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to upload a program, a Scratch program from your online class to a Scratch website. But before we can upload it, we need to download it from, in this case, week number 6. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on the link, but then it opens a new window, and then I'm gonna click on the file. At that time, it's gonna ask me where I want to save it. I'm gonna just pick downloads, and it's gonna save that file on downloads. When it's finished downloading, my next thing to do is to go to my Scratch online account, click on create to create a new program, but I'm not gonna use this one. I'm just gonna go to the file, upload from my computer inside the Scratch window. Then it's gonna ask me where is that. Well, I have the RPS or Rock Paper Scissor starting program. I'm gonna click on selecting that, and then I'm gonna replace this with a new program. Then I have it. Basically, this is a rock paper scissors program. If I press J on the keyboard, I play against the computer, and I selecting rock. And it's computer's playing against me, but we don't know who's winning. Same thing for the K for paper, and L for scissors. So we don't know who's winning. I know it's just playing. So to do that, once again. First, well, it's nice to kind of know how to play it by pressing the keys. Also, we had the beginning, which is click on the green flag. Basically, we start the program, but you notice we start the program with that clicking on the green flag. And then we have when receive switch customs, and then we have when receive show pick. The computer is going to randomly select different type of customs here. Okay, so this is where all the logic for the computer happens. We're using if else to make decisions. But now, how can we tell who's winning? Well, at the bottom right here, we have another set of blocks. In that set of blocks, we can now use the operators. The operator allows me to or create options. For example, I'm going to use the AND operator and put it inside the if statement. So I had to have two different options here. If these options are true, then I can go inside the if. For example, if computer, oops, here we go, let me put it back in. If the computer is basically, let me get the data here. Select these are the variables on the computer. I'm going to select the computer here. If the computer is, let's say, paper, then I can say, come back to the operator here, that the player, go back to the variables in the data, the player is equal to let me see, scissors, because I want the player to win. So I'm gonna select that, and if that happens, basically player wins, exclamation mark. And then what I can also do, I can remove that, right click, duplicate, make a new one, and then select another option. For example, if the computer is rock, then I gotta change the player to, and I'm gonna remove this to be paper, so the player still wins. And then I can do a third one right here, a third one. So, and then when I finish, I can do that. So let's try it. J rock. Listen, I need to have. Let's try scissors. I lose, nothing happens there. Oh, I win because scissors win over paper. Let's try now paper. And basically the rocks cover the paper and I win. So there's a third option here for the player to win for a third time, and then you can make the also the one for the computer to win. Okay, so that's kind of the beginning. We go from there. Thank you.